right, morning everybody. Welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal here at Natural Transplants. We're back in the Bethesda office, and today we are thrilled to have Monte with us. Monte is from Ocean City. Not too far, is that right?
3 hours.
3 hours, okay. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling really good.
Okay.
Yes.
Good, excellent. Share, if you wouldn't mind, first of all, I appreciate you doing this. This is great, kind of sharing your story with everybody. It does help. Share with everybody kind of what brought you to us, why you were seeking to do something with your hair.
Well, naturally, more hair is better for me, and over the years I've lost quite a bit.
Mm-hmm.
And recently I tried a hairpiece, and that was satisfactory. It looked really good, but it looked, what I think, too good,
mm-hmm.
and you could tell it wasn't natural.
Right.
So I did some research on the internet and watched YouTube and all these hair transplants.
Good.
And I thought this is better than a hairpiece.
Good. We think so too. And that's what we tell patients a lot. You want it to look natural. That's
Right.
really the whole point.
Right.
People can tell if it looks
Yeah.
too thick, it just doesn't look natural.
Exactly.
And so we usually tell patients, and we've already talked about it, you do have to, it's going to look incredible, but you do have to have reasonable expectations, and it looks natural. That's really the whole point. All right, we're back with Monte. I just wanted to quick show you the area of loss here. Kind of zoom in, and obviously significant thinning on the top. Coming into the crown, we have really good donor area, so I'm hoping we're trying for a plus today if possible. Scalp's a little on the tighter side like we chatted about, so we may or may not be able to get to the plus. We're gonna do everything we can to get that, because I'd like to knock it out in one and really get as far back as we can. Okay?
Yes.
All right, sounds good. All right, welcome back. We are here with Monte again, and we have drawn out our plan for the day. You doing okay?
Yeah, I'm doing fine.
Awesome. So we have a volume on board. Hadn't kicked in yet, but
I believe it has.
it's starting to kick in. So you can see right here, like we talked about, the scalp is a little on the tighter side. We may only be able to get down to this frontal third, so that's where I shaved. If we can get an extra strip, I'll shave the rest. Hopefully we can get back, and then, as we always do, shave got the donor here. We got some good density back here, so looking for some good hair today. All right. We'll get going. We'll catch up a little bit.
Ready.
Awesome. Sounds
Okay.
good. Thanks.
Right.
All right, everyone, we're here with Monte. He's in the middle of his procedure. We're almost done here. You can take a little look back here. Monte, how's everything gone so far?
I had apprehension, but I didn't need to have it. I mean, it went so smooth, no discomfort at all once I got the pain shots, and I'm very happy.
Awesome, awesome. Well, we're almost done. We're in the last home stretch. We'll catch up with you in just a bit, all right?
Yeah, sounds fine.
All right, we have finished. Monte, how do you feel?
I feel really good.
Awesome.
It's I had a lot of apprehension today, and it just went so smooth. The crew here is wonderful. They tell you what they're doing every step of the way, and I'd do it again in a heartbeat.
Hopefully we won't need to.
Yeah,
We'll
right.
need to. I'm gonna have you come in. We got a lot of hair today. We actually were able to get that third strip, which I was very pleased with. I was not sure if we were gonna be able to.
Yeah.
We were able to get it, and it wasn't too much on tension. And you can see we really loaded all this completely full. All these grafts, 3 to 6 hairs in each graft. The front row or two has got 1 or 2 hairs in each graft. This is gonna look incredible.
I'm so excited
Yeah.
to see the real
It's
results.
gonna look really good. Again, the natural. That's really the whole point.
Yeah.
Your own hair. You can do whatever you want with it.
Yes, I can.
You know, it's gonna be great.
You don't have to worry about a wave now.
I really feel good
You
about
can
today.
get surfing now.
I can.
Yeah. Well, I appreciate you doing this and sort of sharing your story with everybody. And
Sure.
we'll hopefully check in with you as the months go on and the years go on, and see as this grows in.
We'll
right.
stay in touch.
Sounds good. Appreciate
Okay.
it. All right.
Right. Thank
Take
you.
care.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.